In the last video, I forgot to explain that you don't need to crack your head or your brain to start looking for name to use for your TikTok, your UK TikTok. You can actually use ChatGPT to get a very beautiful name to use. Let's quickly try that. Although in this video, I want to teach us how to warm up our accounts so that the algorithm can understand the kind of audience we also want to target and the type of hashtags we can be using to tag people from Europe, UK, and the Western world, because these are the kind of people that can buy our books. And these are the kind of followers we want, because you don't expect people to just see your page today because you have link in your bio, they'll just rush to buy. No, you have to nurture them. How do you nurture them? By posting daily tips about that thing that makes them follow you, or things that will make them want to follow you. You have to start posting daily tips about it. Then later you will start introducing them into your book. This is what we call branding. In the long run, you're not even only going to use this account for KDP. You're going to use it for affiliate marketing. That's where the bulk of the money is. Products that you get good commission, and the more they keep buying that particular product, you keep making more money. So let's get to ChatGPT. Let me show you how you can quickly get a name for your faceless UK TikTok account. Please note, all the prompts I'll be using, you can copy them and use them, or you can just copy them and tweak them a little, make some adjustments so that it will fit your own type of niche or your own type of content. So let's quickly go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and here is the prompt. Generate 3 captivating names for a health and diet TikTok page. The page will teach people about healthy eating for healthy living. In your own case, if you are a travel writer, or you are a relationship writer, or a religious writer, you will say generate 3. You can change that 3 to 10. Let's even make it 10. Generate 10 captivating names for a health and diet TikTok page. You can say for a travel TikTok page. Okay, this page will teach people about healthy eating and healthy living. In your case, if you're a travel writer, you can say this page will teach people about travel locations or travel destinations for their next vacation. If you're into self-help, let's say you're into relationship, you can say generate 10 captivating names for a relationship TikTok page. You can even say faceless relationship TikTok page, or you can say theme relationship TikTok page, or you can say agency relationship TikTok page. Then you tell the purpose, so it will give you nice names. The page will teach people about how to keep their relationship, or how to find a better partner, or you are the writer, so you can just the purpose of the books you are writing. What you want your book to do for people is what you will write here, so that this ChatGPT will give you the best response. So let's go. As you can see, we have 10 names: Nourish and Thrive, The Green Plate, Vibrant Bite, Wellness on the Plate, Bites into Balance, Eat Well, Live Well, Healthy Fork, Fuel Your Glow, Nourish Nation, The Balanced Diet. All these names are names that you can use, and they sound very well for a health and fitness book. Let's quickly do one for travel. So I said generate 10 captivating names for a travel TikTok page. The page will teach people about traveling the world, tourism, and best location for their next travel destination, or best location for their next vacation. So you click enter. As you can see, we have Wanderlust Wonders, we have Globe Trotter Guide, we have Venture Beyond, we have The Travel Nomad, we have Destination Dreaming, you have Jet Set Journeys, Wonder World, Next Step Paradise. You see, these are fine names that you can use for your travel TikTok page. You don't need to crack your brain to be looking for names to use. ChatGPT can do that for you. But in our case, we already have a name. When I was creating the TikTok before, I already gave a name to that account. Let's quickly go and check that account. This is my TikTok, The Healthy Cook Tips. That's the name of the account. The Healthy Cook Tips. As you can see, this is the account. Now, let's say we already got a name, The Healthy Cook Tips. The next thing is to get our bio. Okay, you need a bio, something that will tell people, will buttress what this page does. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Now we want a bio, and I said generate a short, catchy TikTok bio for a health, diet, and fitness page. The page will promote healthy eating for healthy living. You can even say you should generate 10. You can say you should generate 5. You can tell it any amount you want it to generate. So he said, fuel your body, energize your life, tips on healthy eating fitness and living your best life. Then he gave us one hashtag. We just copy that and go back to ChatGPT. If you are not okay with this, you can tell it to regenerate, or you tell it to generate 5 for you to choose from. You can also use this same prompt, just adjust it to suit whatever niche you are into, and you'll be good. This is our page. You go to edit profile. You see where it says add a bio. You click that bio and then you paste. You have 80 characters. Character limits exceeded. The reason this is happening is because of those symbols. As you can see, all these symbols. So let's paste it here to edit it. Remove all these symbols. Remove this hashtag too. You don't need hashtag there. I think this should be fine. So let's copy. Okay, we have tips for healthy eating and living your best life. Then you save. Okay, that's 47 characters. So you see that we still have about 33 more characters to add. So you can still add more things if you want to. But because of this video, I don't want it to be too long. So you can just tweak it. You can tell ChatGPT to rewrite it. You can even just use your head. After ChatGPT generates something for you, you can just edit it on your own and write something that depicts the kind of book you promote on Amazon. Now we've saved that. The next thing now is to add link. You can add a link. You see, if you click add a link, you can add your Instagram and your YouTube. This also means that you can create a YouTube profile for this, your KDP account branding, and also create an Instagram account. Instagram is very easy. You can use any Instagram, whether Nigerian or any country. You can use any Instagram. Just create your Instagram, copy the same bio you have here and put it there. Make sure that everything is the same. The bio, the name, everything is the same. The same thing with your YouTube too. Let's leave that for now. Now, profile picture. Let's use Bing AI or Ideogram or any other generative AI to get a profile picture. Let's go to ChatGPT. So I said generate a captivating logo for a faceless TikTok page, The Healthy Cook Tips. Add some plant-based ideas and healthy eating tips. Now let's click enter. Okay, because I'm not logged in, it didn't generate the logo for me. Let me just log in. So I've logged in and here is the prompt. Yes, this is a very beautiful logo for what we want to do. This logo is good. If you don't like it, you can regenerate. So I'll just click on that and then I'll save it. You can just save it to your device. And if it's not saving, you can take a screenshot. Then you crop it. As you can see, then you click done. Let's go and put it on our bio. You can see, just click on change photo, upload photo. It will take you straight to your gallery. So you select the exact photo that you want to use. This is it. To enter like this, then you click save and post. Save and post. You see that we now have this image we generated with ChatGPT on our profile. You can also use Meta AI to quickly generate a very captivating photo for your bio. So I just pasted the same prompt on Meta AI. Wow, I love this. Healthy cook tips. I love this one so much. So you just click on it to make it big, then you save it to your system, photo saved, by clicking this arrow that is facing down. I'm going to use this one because this one is very, very nice. So let's change it to the one we just got from Meta AI. You click here and then you click on upload photo, then you select the photo. Here you go. This one is very, very catchy. And once you're done, you click back. As you can see, everything looks good. We have our bio, we also have our image, our photo, our display photo. Now, you see where the work is. You have to get to 1,000 followers before you will be allowed to put any link that would take people outside TikTok. Apart from the Instagram and YouTube, you can also put a link here. Okay, before you can put external link, you have to get to 1,000 followers. This is where the work is. You have to start posting videos back to back. I'm going to show us how to post the videos. Now, you want to teach TikTok that you are not just a consumer, you are also a creator. All you need to do is to click on home. Now, when you get home like this, that is for you page, you now click on search. When you click search, you will now search healthy cooking, or healthy meals, or cookbook, or anything related to your niche. Then you click search. You will see a lot of them. You see other pages. You see pages that are related to what you do. Healthy food, healthy cooking with, healthy eco cooking. Okay, now you have to open.
After eating nothing but cookies for the entire...
You open them and then you look at them. You will now start commenting. Even though you don't have any followers yet, you will check them Watch the
month of
video.
December, my body was begging me to slow
After
down.
watching it, you use that your account to comment, do you have any vegetarian recipes? You see how you can make sales? Somebody's asking, do you have any vegetarian recipes? Assuming we've been building this account for a very long time, you respond to this person, yes, I got one on Amazon. You can DM for the link, or you can check my profile to get the link in my bio. You see, this is how you can be getting customers from you can get thousands of customers if you can sit down and be doing all these things. People will ask questions. I made this and it is unbelievably good. You say, let me just comment now. Wow, I'll try this out. I've left a comment. This is what you are going to be doing too. You see, the healthy cook tips. If people come here and they say that you too, your name is related to something like that, healthy cook, they want to follow you. This is how you get your followers randomly. But there's a way, people don't want to follow anybody with 0 followers. So what you need to do, there's a way to get like your first 50 followers. I'm going to teach you that very soon in another video. But for now, this is the normal. Let's just focus on what we came here to do today. So this looks tasty. If you can comment on that and say, really, this person, now you can say, this person that said, do you have any vegetarian recipes? I'm trying to cut down meat consumption and needing recipe inspo. You can reply that person. You can see some people's reply already. You can reply that person and say, I know some on Amazon. In fact, I have some. Don't even talk about Amazon yet. Just say something like, yes, there are a lot of vegetarian recipes. You can even give the person where to get. You can say, I can share you some if you send me a DM. You see, just go and tell ChatGPT to give you 10 comprehensive vegetarian recipes and then put it there. This person will become your follower. So you do that, you go to other pages to check other pages and that page. First talked about high protein. You see that, you go and check their comments. What about snacks? You see somebody's asking about snacks again. You see, amazing meal prep. I need details to these meals. How are they made? What are they? This person asks this question, you can reply. There's no reply there. If you have something like high protein cookbook, you can reply and say, I know a very good author where I got some high protein recipes. You just recommend. You're not the one, you're not telling them it is you. You're just recommending. I hope that is clear. So this is, I don't even past the level I suppose don't reach for this class, but let's just enjoy all this. Let's go back to our bio. Now, I just went back to Edit's profile on the bio, and you see this, the healthy cooks. You can change that to the author name. This name is changeable. You see, the healthy cooks. You can change that to, let's say your name is Sarah Matz on Amazon. You can change this name to Sarah Matz. You can change your name once every 7 days. If I change this name now, it will take me 7 days if I can change it again, which means that if Amazon bans this account, I can always get another pen name, start again, and change this particular name to the new pen name. You don't need to be changing the page name, I mean the username. You can always change this name. You see Sarah Matz. So anybody that is seeing this page now, if I post something now, they will see the name as Sarah Matz. When they now check my bio, they will now see that the bio is the healthy cook tips. I hope this is clear. So up is showing me Sarah Matz, which is the author name I'm using for all my books. Then the down is showing me my username. This is the username that everybody will be seeing, and people can see the name. So when people come to your page and you take the link in your bio and they see that Sarah Matz is the name of the author, they will know that you are the one. They can follow you and they will be relating with you. They will send you DMs. So all you need to do is to come here and search. Always search. Just search. You can say keto diet. Once you type keto diet, you will see many suggestions. Just click the one that you like. Let's say keto diet meal plan. You will see videos.
Day 68 of...
See recipes, see videos, all these things. You can even learn.
I lost
from
4
them.
pounds last week eating pretty much this exact.
As you can see, breakfast power bowl. You can see the likes. You can see comments. 1,800. You see, say markets they here. Now money be this. If you sabi use TikTok well, what's the hot sauce? People will ask questions. What did you eat for dinner, though? You see, people will be asking questions. This looks good. You can just comment. All you need to do, just be commenting. Pending when I'll teach you how to do the video, I'll teach it very soon. How to start creating your own videos. You can be commenting on other people's posts. From here, you can even start getting followers. You can start getting you cannot get likes yet, but you can start getting followers. You can start getting inquiries. You're meant for launch. Just you know, just be engaging. After you leave keto, you can go to weight loss diet, diabetes diet. You can go to all these pages. You see people asking questions. Now there you go make your money from. I hope that
breakfast every
so
day.
we've been able to cover a lot from this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video where I will teach you. I've taught how to warm up, I've taught how to get names, I've taught how to get bio. So in the next video, how to create videos and start posting with the right hashtag. Let's do one search for travel guide. So let's say best travel locations or destination in Europe. You see, best travel locations, that's what I typed. It gave me Europe, it gave me Finland, it gave me in November. You can put the month, you can put any time. Let's click on Europe. As you can see, it will give you like asking questions. Albania is the best. You only listed 5. You can just reply this person and say yes, I'm going to start posting a lot of travel destinations. I love traveling and I'm going to post my experience very soon. The person will follow you. You see, best. You see that all these people that are from Europe. You see that they are European people. So these are the people using as your followers. I hope you understand. You are going to be engaging on their post. These are the kind of people you use as your audience, okay? And whenever you post to, your post is going to be going to them because you've taught the algorithm that these are the kind of people you follow. These are the kind of people you want to be following, and these are the kind of people you want to be seeing your content to. I hope that is clear. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.